Fatum.
Scatamon, scatam.
Peitum. Peitumon. Peitum. Makan duit mas. Makan duit. Capo mo.
No cape. Scatamon, scatamon.
Nice. Es muy capo mo.
Aí vai ver.
Capo mo.
Não, isso é claro.
Peitum.
Aí isso não é certo.
Não, não ganhei. Oh my god.
So you get something new. He doesn't know what to do. So maybe that's why he's been barking in the night. Maybe they've been coming. Maybe.
They're supposed to climb. This
Hey, there's another cheeky one come from the back there.
Yeah, there's
In
five
the
of them.
tree.
What is he going to do?
oh. Serve assim, ó?
Não.
Olha. Por que não?
and 10. Pressure is on. Warner going deep, and Fitzgerald can't make a one-handed grab. Coverage is good. It will be 3rd down and 10.
Pressure brought on Kurt Warner, but that's what you cannot do to Larry Fitzgerald. You can't overthrow him. You have to give him a chance to jump and make plays on the ball. When we did the Colts game, Warner overthrew him in that game on a deep ball as well. If you give him a chance to just jump and make this play, he makes about 90% of these catches. But he can't make that one.
Giants stood defending 3rd and long on 3rd and 10 or more. The Giants have given up only 1 first down in 23 such plays. And here they come again, an all-out blitz, and that opens it up for Hightower to make the catch and pick up the first down. So the Giants able send almost everybody, and Hightower out on the left flat picks it up for a first down.
Well, like they did last week, the Giants mess up another coverage here. You're going to see the safety dropping down late. Antonio Pierce right in the middle is turning around and screaming. I think it was Michael Johnson back there that he was trying to get up there. His back was turned. It was just out of sorts. They messed it up and gave up the first down.
4.5 left in the half. Wells as the running back. And the rookie from Ohio State with a good stiff arm inside the 5 into the end zone goes Beanie for a touchdown. He pushes Terrell Thomas out of the way and goes in for the touchdown after the Cardinals on a 3rd and long convert against the Giants blitz, and in they go for the score.
Terrell Thomas absolutely blew that one. He had contain on the outside, and he was hanging his head afterwards. And welcome to the NFL, Beanie Wells. That's what he did at Ohio State. They turned around, gave him the ball, and he did that. Jammed that stiff arm right down Terrell Thomas's throat.
First touchdown in the career of Chris Beanie Wells.